Hi, my name is Larry, better known as Mr. Scroll Trellis. I'm here to show you what our new hanging basket trellis is and the components that come in the kit. So right off the bat, the trellis legs come in two different parts. There's a part B, there's 6 of them that do not have any fasteners attached to them. And there's 2 of them that actually do have the fasteners with them. So I'll show you how to do that. Next, 3 zip ties. You have 5 little I guess they're little seed pods that you soak, and we'll show you how to do that. It comes with 10 seeds, so you put 2 seeds per these little pods in the instructions. So, first thing we're going to do is make the trellis on the table. Take one of these and push it together like that, 90 degrees on this one, and this one here, and you might want to push them on the table like that. Okay, next thing we'll do, we'll take the 2 parts and we're going to put them together to where the pins are facing each other, and they'll automatically clock into the right spot. They'll hold themselves together while you're putting in the zip ties. So in any of the holes that are open, we'll put in a zip tie. Take another one opposite of that hole. Easier to put it on the table like that. There. And these will get cut off. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to install the trellis onto the basket. Make sure that you have a wire or a metal hook. The plastic ones won't work with this trellis. The ideal pot size is going to be 14 inches, or it could be 12, but 14 to 16 works great. We're going to pick up our assembled trellis. We're going to put that hook right in the middle of it. Rotate it down, and these legs, put them right in between the wires that are there opposite each other, and go all the way around. And just stick these in. And these could be adjusted to make it look the best. Okay, next thing we're going to do is take our last zip tie. We'll push down this hub, insert that zip tie up through from the bottom. We're going to put it through at least one of the wires. It's got to go through, and you'll see why. And then we'll go down that exact opposite hole. You let go, you see that it locks it in. It doesn't allow this to come up, so you can take it and hook it. Now we'll go underneath and we'll put that zip tie together. Done. Clip that off. There. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is actually take these seed pods, place them in a container, and you go get 1 1/4 cups of warm water for 5 of these little seed pod holders. Pour in warm water and wait 20 minutes. Okay, once the 20-minute period has gone by, this is what they'll actually look like. They're in a little sock pad. And to put these seeds in, you need a 1/2 inch deep. So you can take anything, a pen or a pencil, and I know that just about right where it's sharpened to is about a 1/2 inch. So that's what you'd want to do on each one of these. Okay, the seeds, you can have the germination period sped up by putting these in water from 4 to 24 hours. Otherwise, you don't have to, but if you want to get your plants growing faster, that's what you want to do. There's 10 seeds in here. There's 5 of these pods, and you just want to take these out and drop them in, one in each one until you get 2 in each one. There, and there, 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 and there. And then what I like to do is just take your finger and just put a little bit of dirt over them. That's all you have to do, just so they don't show. There. Now that we got the seeds planted, we're going to plant the pods into your hanging pot. I have a trowel here. You could use your hand. It's best if the soil in your container here is moist already and not dry. And I'm going to put these in kind of symmetrical. I don't know, I kind of like that. Put one over here. Kind of level with the soil. And I'll put one right in the middle. That one needs to go a little deeper. There. And then you just water.